Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the React project and choosing a styling strategy. This determines how you scale components. Once done, install your CSS toolkit, Tailwind for utilities or styled components for scoped styles. Make sure to add a mobile-first meta viewport and CSS reset so breakpoints behave predictably. That avoids desktop-first surprises. Also create design tokens or CSS variables for spacing and colors. These let you change scale globally without hunting components. Now build the core layout. Compose container, row, column components and use Flexbox for rows and grid when you need columns plus alignment. Prefer mobile-first breakpoints using min-width so styles cascade up. Use rem and % for font size and widths to adapt smoothly. Once layouts exist, pass gap and column props so you can reuse them across pages. When components accept responsive props, you reduce duplication. That makes maintenance faster and visual consistency far easier to achieve. Finish by adding responsive images with src set and sizes and prefer WebP where supported, because images often dominate bandwidth. Then test thoroughly. Resize viewports, try low network throttling, and verify keyboard and screen reader flows to catch accessibility issues. Once satisfied, optimize the bundle with code splitting and lazy loaded routes so initial load is fast. If things go wrong, check breakpoint specificity and inspect computed styles. Often a lingering global rule or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.